Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to share with you how I deep condition using Moringa powder. So to get started, what we're gonna do is our mix. So what I will be using today is the organic Moringa leaf powder from India. I'll also be using my organic aloe vera powder. I will also be using amla powder. Today I'm just gonna use jojoba oil, but usually I just use any oil. My silicone mix deep conditioner. And today I'm going to be also adding the African Pride Moisture Miracle Moroccan Clay and Shea Butter Heat Activated Mask. Rosemary oil from the Now brand and peppermint oil from the Now brand as well. So what I'm going to do is add all those ingredients into an empty container like this one. So let's go ahead and let me show you how I mix everything. Let's get into it. And take my organic moringa leaf powder, and I'm just going to use about that much. I'm going to go ahead and add 2 spoonfuls of the aloe vera powder, going with about a spoonful of the amla powder. I'm going to take about 2 big spoons of the silicone mix. And I'm just going to take 1 heaping spoon of their detox and soften heat activated mask. So far that's how my mixture is looking. And now I'm just going to go ahead and mix all this up. Just adding a little bit of water. And just for some added softness, I'm going to go ahead and add my oil. And just squeeze a little bit in there. And just about 5 drops of that. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and tackle this hair. I'm just gonna put it into sections and put the deep conditioner all over my hair into sections. And then I'm not gonna talk through this because it's pretty self-explanatory by you watching. So I'll just let you groove out to some music and let's get started. Put these plastic bags on my head and let this sit for about 45 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and put 2 minutes and then just rinse it out with just some water and conditioner. Now remember, this is clay, so it's gonna get everywhere. You just gotta kind of be careful when you're rinsing it out in the shower. And I know it's green, but for me, I didn't have no issues with it like staining my fingernails or my hands. It's not like the henna powder, if you ever tried that before. It rinses out green, yes, but it doesn't like stain the tub or anything like that in my experience. So now, of course, if you don't know already, Moringa has a ton of benefits. I'll just go ahead and list them all right here. And there's plenty of videos online about why Moringa is good for your hair and even why it's good to like drink it. I decided to try it and I've loved it ever since. I've been using it for a couple of months now and it's done well with my hair. Of course, mixing it with the other deep conditioners and the silicone mix especially, because silicone mix repairs damaged hair. I wouldn't say my hair is damaged. It's not damaged anymore. It was damaged where it was like really dry. I wasn't deep conditioning weekly, so my hair was already washed in the beginning of the week. This is just kind of like a deep conditioner, midweek deep conditioning routine for me, and it works for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this sit for 45 minutes. Like I said, I am gonna keep it in these twists. I already have a video up with my wash day routine, so it's pretty much the same thing. I just twist my hair up and let it air dry like that. So thanks again for watching this video. So go ahead and hit that like button if you like content like this. It does let me know that I'm doing something that you like. So, and if you haven't already subscribed, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well. Let me know if you've ever tried Moringa powder. Have you tried drinking it? I'm kind of nervous to drink it, but I know that it's good for you. But I don't know. I guess because it's green, I'm a little scared about that. But let me know in the comment section, and thanks again for watching. I'll see you in my next one.